In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize component Figma. Figma components are powerful for creating consistent and efficient designs. They let you define reusable elements, like buttons or navigation bars, and then use instances throughout your project. While main components update all their instances automatically, you often need to resize a specific instance without affecting other instances or the main component itself. That's precisely what we're going to focus on today, ensuring you have the flexibility to adapt your designs as needed. Our first step is to simply add a component to your canvas. If you already have a component instance in your design, perhaps from a previous task, then you're all set to select it. If not, don't worry. You can easily open your Assets panel, which is usually found on the left-hand side of your Figma interface. From there, find the component you wish to use. It could be anything from a simple button to a more complex card or form element, and then drag an instance of it directly onto your working frame or canvas. This action creates a linked copy or an instance, and it's this particular instance that will be resizing to ensure flexibility without altering the main component definition or any other instances derived from it. Once your component instance is selected on the canvas, our second step is to navigate to the Dimensions section within the Design panel and adjust its width and height. With your component instance highlighted, direct your attention to the right-hand sidebar in Figma. You'll find the Design panel, which is where all the properties and settings for your selected element are displayed. Within this panel, locate the section that clearly displays the dimensions. You'll typically see distinct input fields labeled W for width and H for height, representing the current size of your selected component instance. To change the size, simply click into either the W or H input field and type your desired pixel value. For example, if your button instance is currently 100 pixels wide and you need it to be 150, just type 150 into the W field and press Enter. You can follow the same process for the height. A crucial and very useful tip here is to pay close attention to the Constrain Proportions icon. This icon typically looks like a small chain link or a padlock and is often found positioned between the width and height input fields. If this icon is active, meaning the proportions are constrained, then changing one dimension, like the width, will automatically adjust the height proportionally to maintain the component's original aspect ratio. This feature is incredibly helpful for images or elements where distorted scaling would look unprofessional. However, if you need to change the width and height independently, make sure this constraint is deactivated by clicking on the icon. Beyond typing in specific values, you can also often click and drag directly on the dimension labels themselves, like W or H, to interactively scrub through values. This provides a dynamic and visual way to resize your component. Alternatively, and perhaps most intuitively, you can simply click and drag the selection handles that appear directly on the component instance on the canvas. As you drag these handles, you'll see the W and H values in the Design panel update in real time, offering immediate visual feedback on your adjustments. Do remember that for components utilizing auto layout, their resizing behavior can also be influenced by the auto layout settings, so keep that in mind for more advanced scenarios where your resizing doesn't behave as expected. And that's it! By following these straightforward steps, you can precisely control the dimensions of any component instance in your Figma designs, allowing for a flexible and adaptable workflow without compromising your core component structure. Practice this technique with different components to get comfortable with the process and make it a seamless part of your design workflow.